owning a digital asset in 2024 can make you very rich if you know how to use it. All right. And the beautiful thing is that you don't have to be experienced. You don't have to be too experienced. You don't have to be too techy to become a rich person with digital assets. But the sad truth is 99% of people don't know about digital assets. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 digital assets that can make you rich before the end of 24 and even beyond 2024. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, my name is awajiimamisioto, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online, and I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video straight away, I would like you to do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified that I have shared a video. Okay, so I believe you've done that. Without wasting time, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 digital assets that can make you rich before the end of 2024 and beyond. All right, so number 1 on my list is online courses. Creating online courses and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare can generate passive income for you. If you focus on a skill that you are knowledgeable about, you can make a lot of money online. For example, if you know how to bake cake, or maybe you know how to help people make money, or maybe you know how to help people lose weight, or maybe you know something about softwares, or you know how to get cheap products somewhere, you can actually teach people whatever you know on the internet, turn it to a course and sell it on different platforms and make money for yourself. It doesn't matter where you are. You can do this from anywhere in the world. I've made money from creating courses online, and till today, this is the 3rd year, or more than the 3rd year now, I've been making money from my online courses. If you want to see more about that, go to the link in the description. You are going to see more about that. Okay, so there's money in online courses. If you have an online courses, if you create online courses, you can start making money for yourself passively without even leaving your 9 to 5, without stressing yourself. All right, that is number 1. Number 2 on my list is ebooks. Ebooks is another good way for you to make money. Is another good digital asset that can help you make money passively. Writing and selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle or other platforms can bring in consistent income with a well-researched topic and targeted audience. Ebooks are an affordable product to create and sell. I've been making money also from ebooks. Imagine you know how to do something and you turn your idea into an ebook of, let's say, maybe 10 pages or 15 pages. You can upload these things on third-party platforms. For example, like Seller, you can upload it on Seller and start selling. And the beautiful thing is you can sell to foreigners and receive your money in your local bank account. This is a very sweet way to make money for yourself, especially if you don't really have much capital to start a business. You can start with creating ebooks, no matter what you know, right? If you're a teacher, if you're a writer, if you're a coach, or maybe you are into cakes, you are into anything, whatever you know that people really want to learn, you can create ebooks for it, upload it on hosting platforms, sell it, and make money for yourself. All right, I've done this several times and I'm still doing it, and I can tell you that it is a profitable digital asset that can bring you money. And imagine the one of the interesting things I love about this is that you can even make money while you are sleeping. Somebody can be paying you while you are sleeping, and that's the beauty of it. So if you don't have an ebook, if you know something that people are willing to pay for, you should consider turning it into an ebook and start selling ebooks for yourself. If you want to learn more about ebooks, go to the link in the description. I've dropped all the details for you in the description. All right, that is number 2. Number 3 on my list is YouTube channel. If you love to share videos, this is a good platform for you to build your brand and make money from AdSense and even direct sales. I use YouTube and there's a lot of money on YouTube. If you go to YouTube right now, there are lots of people searching for information of different kinds. So if you know about anything, you can go to YouTube and showcase your expertise, share what you know, share your thoughts, whether it is about marriage, whether it is about relationship, about drugs, about medicine, about website design, about soap making and anything. There's always an audience that want to hear you, that want to listen to you, that want to watch your video. So if you know how to do this, if you know how to set up a YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money for yourself. That's a very good asset you can start building without even capital. If you have your smartphone, if you have data, you can do this very easily. I created a video about how to create a YouTube channel. Go to the link in the description to check for that video. Right, that's number 3. Number 4 on my list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also a very good digital asset that can put money in your pocket. Promoting products or services from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, Stakeout, or Shopify can earn you commissions. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media platform, affiliate marketing can be a scalable way for you to earn money for yourself. I can tell you for sure, this is also another digital asset that has made me some cool cash. All right. I'm sure that you must have heard people talking about affiliate marketing, and you can do this from the comfort of your home without too much capital. Without capital self, you can start. As long as you have your data and your smartphone, you can do this business. All right. You can have this as an asset that can be generating cash for you on a daily basis. Okay. Now we will go to the number 5. But before I go to the number 5, if you are getting value from this video, just tap the like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit this notification bell so that you will not miss the more content that I'm going to be putting out on this channel. All right. And also, if you want to learn how to make money online from any of these assets that I've just mentioned, if you have been thinking of how to make money online, you need someone to guide you, to mentor you, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or check the link in the description for any of the links that will lead you to more details about that. Okay. Now to my number 5. Number 5 is a website. Building a website that generates revenue, offers e-commerce, or runs on a membership model is a great digital asset. There are a lot of people who have not even heard about this, who don't even know about this, who are looking for websites to power their business. If you know how to build a website as a service, you can make a lot of money from business owners. And let me shock you, one single website can make you as much as 6 figures. All right, go and Google these things I'm telling you now. So websites that are focused on niche markets with consistent traffic can lead to significant earnings. What this means is that if you focus on a specific niche, you are definitely going to make money very fast. For example, let's say you're a web designer and you focus on real estate. You can make a lot of money from real estate people or real estate business owners. Are you getting this down? Or maybe you focus on hospitality, hotels, or travels. You can make money as a web designer. Another side of this is that you can even have your own website or a blog or a membership website and be making money for yourself from your content. Are you seeing this now? So these are 5 digital assets that can make you money if you own any of them. Are you getting this now? So this is all I can take for this video. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. That's all I can take for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.